Hello, I'm Sonia from Sustain My Craft Habit, and this is my sister Jane. So we at Sustain My Craft Habit are doing something new and something super fun. For the first time ever, we are introducing our 25 days of an upcycled Christmas. Every day for the month of December, we are going to share a new craft with you, and the craft could be anything Christmas related, but the main theme is that we've made this craft, or whatever that craft is, using materials and supplies that we found around the house. We all know that crafting is fun, but it's way more fun when you can craft with somebody. So we hope that you will all join along with us. One way you can do that is to head over to the website, sign up to receive a craft idea every day for 25 days of December. Also, while you're there, you can sign up for the giveaway as well, and Jane's gonna tell you all about that.
As a huge thank you to the members of our Sustain My Craft Habit community, including you, we'll be offering a number of goodies in our giveaway. These include an eco-friendly tote bag from SMCH Stitched, which is perfect for carrying all your craft supplies, a print copy of our crafting book called Crafting at Home, as well as a mini rock painting kit, including a set of rocks for painting and some of our favorite paints that we use in our own rock painting project. To enter the giveaway, just head on over to sustainmycrafthabit.com. We'll leave the direct link in our description below, and be sure to enter there.
So you might be wondering what sort of crafts we'll be sharing with you. Well, we don't want to give too much away, but just to give you an idea, this stackable wood block snowman is just one of those crafts, and it's two-sided, but he was adorably made with one sock and 3 scrap wood pieces. So that's just one example. Some other stuff that we're gonna be sharing with you are ornaments for the tree, some other home decor pieces, last minute gift giving ideas, and I don't even know, there's a lot coming. And some of the stuff that we're gonna be using that we found around the house to make these fun crafts are everything from yarn and pine cones and wood slices and cans and bottles and oh my, I don't know. So you'll have to sign up to get more information and to get hopefully inspired to also start crafting for the holidays.
And for those of you here on YouTube, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you either. We will be sharing some fun upcycling and DIY Christmas projects in the coming weeks. If you have a crafty friend who also loves to upcycle, be sure to tag them or share this video with them so that they can join along as well.
Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.